This video will discuss the topic of capital punishment. Capital punishment is given when a person is guilty of heinous crimes, particularly rape or murder, and is sentenced to death. In India, the guilty person is hanged till death. It is an irreversible punishment, and any error cannot be rectified. Recent executions in India have been carried out by hanging until death or being shot to death. Notable cases include Afzal Guru in 2013 and Mohammad Ajmal Kasab in 2012, both for acts of terrorism. The Indian Penal Code, 1860, retained capital punishment after independence. Sections like 120B, 121, 132, 194, 302, 303, 305, 364A, and 396 prescribe death for crimes such as criminal conspiracy, waging war, murder, and kidnapping for ransom. Arguments supporting capital punishment date back to early civilizations, where stern laws provided a clear message about consequences. Supporters believe it spreads fear and restrains people from committing crimes, thereby strengthening faith in the judicial system. Those against capital punishment argue that the focus should be on eradicating the crime, not the person, echoing the judiciary's motto, whence dharma, thence victory. They also emphasize that every individual has the right to live. Globally, capital punishment is broken into 4 categories. 100 countries have abolished it. 7 retain it for exceptional circumstances. 50 permit its use but haven't used it for at least 10 years. And 40 maintain it in both law and practice. Critics question the morality of using killing as a measure to show that killing is wrong, seeing capital punishment as a barbaric measure. In 2004, President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam suggested Parliament consider abolishing the death sentence altogether. In conclusion, capital punishment remains a long-standing debate. Modern abolitionists argue that if killing is wrong, no legal sanction can make it right. They also cite statistics showing no visible deterrent effect on crime rates.